We're going to stretch out our hamstrings. So everybody make some chicken noises. Everyone make some chicken beaks. Go. All right, we're going to peck for some seeds like a bunch of chickens. Everybody go peck, 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 peck. Awesome. Just nicely loosening, stretching your hamstrings. Now we're going to stretch out. We're going to reach for some bananas like a bunch of monkeys. Everybody go pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, 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 peck, 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 pick, pick, pick. No? Nobody? All right, so this is called an optical illusion. So you take your knuckle, nothing, nobody, anybody ever do this one? Nobody ever did that one? I'll give you the other side. Oh, you're gonna try it with your friends. What are you talking about? Okay. Now we're gonna loosen up our knees a little bit, because when you chase after your kids, do you chase after them like this, or are you going this way and that way, and it's like American Ninja Warrior? So it doesn't make sense to me that you have cold legs, so you're gonna put your knees together and just real easy like this, and then go back and forth. And if you feel like any clicking or popping, that's okay. Your body's actually like feeling good and moving. There you go, good for you. There you go. Someone was at the club last night. Okay, all right. And now open your feet like this. There you go. Go the other way. All right. Some of you are like, I'm gonna use this tonight. All right, cool. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.